Hello everyone and welcome to Creativity, and today I'm going to be showing you how to connect to hidden Wi-Fi networks that is available in your area. But one thing I must say is that you must know the name of the network and the type of protection or security that it has, and also the password, of course. So if you're using a laptop, then I suppose when you go to the networks, you might have hidden networks. This is the easiest way if your laptop kind of detects that there's a hidden network available. So you can just click on there and write the name of the Wi-Fi. Then it asks for the password, and yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, that didn't work for some reason. Let's try again. All right, enter the network security key. Yes. All right, as you can see, it has connected. The first time I might have got the password wrong or something. All right, the good thing is that if the hidden network doesn't have any password, then you can just then it will just ask for the name of the network, and you just click on write the name and click on connect, and that's it. If not, then I guess this is the way. If someone is still facing many problems, then comment down below and I'll be happy to explore more ways. If network is showing up and you know that there is a hidden network, it's probably your friends or something, and your friend has given you all the info but you can't find the network, comment down below. I'll be sure to look into it. Other than that, please do like and subscribe, and adios.